Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of professional manicure pedicure kit and electric nail file sets available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Professional hand and foot nail care. This professional manicure pedicure kit is of nail salon quality, suitable for naturally thick and fragile nail trimming, grinding, and polishing, for men, women, and kids. And it is ideal for removing cuticles, hard skin, calluses, and corns. With this manicure pedicure tool you will have healthy, clean, neat fingernails and toenails, and amazing hand and foot care. Rechargeable and cordless, electric nail grinder is equipped with a rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing great portability and 2HRS continuous cordless operation. You can easily and freely do hand and foot care wherever you like without the hassle of cables. You can also plug it into a USB socket to operate if the battery runs out of power. Everything included. Poland electric nail file set includes all necessary manicure and pedicure tools. Electric nail filer, 5 high-quality stainless steel drill bits, integrated LED light for a precise nail file, dust shield, and Type-C charging cable. 5 speeds and 2 rotations, with 5 adjustable speed options. The electric nail file offers you customized mani or pedi for men or women according to your need, and a joyful professional salon experience right at home. The nail file set rotates clockwise and anti-clockwise, and it is very easy and convenient to use no matter if you are right-handed or left-handed. Stylish design and low heat, stylish and ergonomic design with comfortable holding feeling, upgraded powerful motor, effective heat dissipation, and low vibration. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.